You can prevent inadvertent modification of driving dimension values when the dimension precision, or the number of decimal places, is modified. Set the detail option, Modify Driving Dim by Precision, to Yes or No to achieve the desired result. When the option is set to Yes, which is the default, changing the precision of an unrounded driving dimension updates the dimension value to reflect the new precision, requiring the model to be regenerated to the new dimension value. When this option is set to No, changing the precision of an unrounded driving dimension automatically sets the dimension to rounded and updates the display of the dimension to reflect the new precision without modifying the dimension value.